Something that we've been really thinking a lot about lately is how the narrative around AI is going in the completely worst direction. It's in a wrong direction. And what I mean by that is everybody's pushing for you to use AI on every single occasion you have, of every single second of every single day. And you should use it to create your content and do your research and write your scripts. And you should deliver your service to your clients, and you should do your coaching calls and everything in between. And then you no longer have a business. You just have like this Claude Code agent you manage. And while there is some truth to that, that you should be creating an application, a unique software for your unique use case, for the data that you collect, and you have specific agents for specific use cases, there is a clear path for that. And keep in mind, this is coming from somebody who is going to take part in hosting a 2-day event around AI and around Claude Code, because most people are just scratching the surface. But the point is, the narrative is going the worst direction possible. You need to keep in mind that what people will want, and already now what we're seeing, but what people will want more of in the future is you, is the human aspect. They don't want to constantly be talking to an AI agent 24/7 for every single problem they have. Like I said, there is the use case, but the human element, the human side of content, the authenticity, the rawness, that's what people will crave. Events, people want to shake your hand, have a laugh with you. A byproduct of that is creativity. Creativity is something that most people miss, is something that I miss for a very long time. Going from a marketing role into an operations role, it's something that I try and train every single day. And this is coming from somebody who wasn't creative. For a very long time, I thought I was hardwired as a non-creative person. In school, I got it drilled in my mind that art classes, not creative, whatever else, not creative. And it's just that way. Over time, over the years, I've had to train myself and realize that that's not the case. First of all, you are not hardwired to be or not to be creative. And it's something that you need to train. And for me, the way I found that it works is actually not doing anything. We are always constantly drowned in distractions, in social media posts, in podcasts, in music playing, in advertisements. There's TVs in the street. You're constantly distracted. So the way you get to be creative is to just quiet your mind, go sit on a bench, look at the sky for 20 minutes and see what happens. For me, it's something that I try and do every single day, and I realized that my creativity had a boost. This is something that I think Jack Hopkins spoke about in like a reel a couple of weeks back. And he made the clear point that people with taste are the people that are going to survive AI. And I really agree with that, because if you have good taste, if you can create software with a good user flow, a very clean UI, not something that is like vibe coded like everything else. If you understand design principles, you are going to thrive. And if you have good taste that your audience can gravitate towards and understand and appreciate, especially in your content. I mean, I'm not a good example right here, but if you can cultivate good taste and create documentary level style content, that's what people will want to consume. The AI scripted, the AI generated, the AI slop, the huge wave of shit that is being shared online, people are already sick of it, and they're just going to get even more sick of it. All of this to say, the human element, the creativity and having taste is what is going to help your business and you thrive in the coming months, in the coming years.